Hello, this is Raymel Cabrera, and I'm here to present you the future technology of life with autonomous cars. Here we have the homepage where it gives you a brief summary on the fundamentals of autonomous cars, seeing that vehicles that are capable of driving for people in certain conditions and situations. Now, I want to inform you that we'll be moving along slightly quickly and we'll work our way down. So, without further ado, let us begin this project. And let's start off with topics. Here is our group members that have each subtopic that they filled out. One of us. One group member named Felicia has been doing impacts on society with autonomous cars. Marcos Diaz Rico on functionality and efficiency. Brielle Foley, safety and ethics, technology of autonomous vehicles. Jacob Graham, Malek Taki on costs and types and variations. Obviously me, Raymel Cabrera. This is the project team. Here displays all of our members, emails, and what our topics we're working with. Now, safety and ethics. Here we see some people might fear of the self-autonomous cars. It says here in 2018 that the ride-sharing company Uber was thrown into the spotlight for one of their autonomous vehicles first recorded a death by a self-driving vehicle. Yes, and there can be some setbacks, but many people understand the idea that they want to move forward with technology, even with vehicles. So seeing that this was a huge setback, people will do everything they can to fix these issues until they meet their ideal goal. Right here shows a video right there. Another one right there. Programming ethics. There are slight philosophies and social terms that people have to understand when we're implementing these kinds of things into programs of our vehicles. Sorry about that. Here is functionality and efficiency. Autonomous cars are pretty much the new idea of things that we'll be going into the future for. This will be the next step in technology of our vehicles being part of our daily lives. We're still in the process of making these, but as we move forward, we'll see more of these vehicles appear and we'll get used to these cars. Now, as for impacts on society, I'm so sorry. Here we have the radars of the vehicle, the pros and cons, such as accurate and short distance for pros, cons, limited range. Shows all of that detail displayed here, what they're planning for, and here are the references. And I'm sorry, I'd like to show you the references for down here at the bottom. Here are the current advances for the safety and ethics issues. Forgive me for switching along at a weird rate. There's emergency braking, parking assist, and so forth. Okay, now we move back to functionality and efficiency. Here we have our references. Impact on society. As technology advances, we're beginning to see more and more tech vehicles on the roads. That's a fact that we're seeing here. This person has provided lots of information, yet it's brief, but it's very informative, and a video as well. Here's my slide, types and variations. Here's your standard run-of-the-mill car that pretty much people can practically use and they start off with. We then move on to other cars with more autonomous capabilities, such as this Nissan Sentra as a level 1 vehicle for brake assist and so forth. The Tesla Autopilot, more very advanced, yet still lacking some features. Here's the level 3 vehicle known as the Audi 8. Again, it's not complete autonomy, but we're getting there. Level 4 vehicles, we are enterprises in the process of making these things, though we have to wait. And number 5 is the fully autonomous car where they drive for us without any setbacks or any other problems. Thing is, though, it will be a long time before we see these. Here are our references, costs. Malak has shown video of these costs of cars, the funding, how much do these autonomous cars cost for the features and testings. Here there are many companies that will tend to use as much funding as possible to reach their designated objective. Here we can pull up the slides. And as always, the references. There we go. Moving on to technology of autonomous cars. Here, one of our members has provided a video and all the information that fits the criteria, and a chart that displays all of autonomous cars, ranging from more control for the driver towards self-control of the car on its own, and so forth. Lots of that, and here are the references. And this is the reference page where it displays every source that we've gathered information for and whatnot. So I hope you all enjoy. I will see you in another time. So goodbye.